Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Corner. I am Mukul Sarma, subject teacher. Last class I have discussed about cartesian proper. Today I am going to discuss two important result of cartesian product. One important result is a cartesian product B union C is equal to a cartesian product B union a cartesian product C. A cartesian product B intersection C is equal to a cartesian product B intersection a cartesian product. Now we shall prove number 1. Proof 1. Let x y belongs to a cartesian product B union C. This if and only if we have to write if and only symbol here. This implies x belongs to A, first component belongs to A, and second component belongs to B union, y belongs to B union C. If and only if x belongs to A, y belongs to B, here is union, so we write or x y belongs to C. X belongs to A, y belongs to B within the bracket, or x belongs to A, y belongs to C. X belongs to A, cartesian product B. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. This means x belongs to a cartesian product B. Or x belongs to A, y belongs to C. This implies this is xy. This is xy belongs to a cartesian product B. This is also xy belongs to a cartesian product C. X belongs to A, y belongs to B means xy belongs to a cartesian product B. X belongs to A, y belongs to C means xy belongs to a cartesian product C. This implies xy belongs to a cartesian product B union in place of or a cartesian product C. Therefore, we can write a cartesian product B union C is equal to a cartesian product B union a cartesian product C. Similarly, we can prove second properties also. 2. Let xy belongs to a cartesian product B intersection C. If and only if symbol, x belongs to A, y belongs to B intersection C. X belongs to A, y belongs to B, and this is for n, y belongs to C. This implies x belongs to A, y belongs to B, and x belongs to A, y belongs to C. xy belongs to x belongs to a, y belongs to a, xy belongs to a Cartesian product B, and xy belongs to a Cartesian product C. Xy belongs to a Cartesian product B. In place of n, we write intersection a Cartesian product C. Therefore, a Cartesian product B union B intersection C is equal to a Cartesian product B intersection a Cartesian. Now I shall discuss some problem which is in the textbook. Example 7. In the exercise number, it is exercise number 2.1, question number 7. Let A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 3, 4, C is equal to 5, 6, D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify Act number 1. A Cartesian product B intersection C is equal to A Cartesian product B intersection A Cartesian product C. A Cartesian product C, B Cartesian product D, A Cartesian product C is a subset of B Cartesian product. Solution 1. At first analysis, A Cartesian product B intersection C. B intersection C means B intersection C 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 5. Therefore A Cartesian product, or this is 5. A Cartesian product phi is equal to 5. R is A Cartesian product B intersection A Cartesian product C. At first we write A Cartesian product B. A Cartesian product B 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is A Cartesian product B. There is some intersection. Now A Cartesian product C, A, C, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now what is the intersection of this and this? 1, 3, there is no. 1, 4, so intersection is 5. Thus we get LHS is equal to RHS. Very fine. Second, A Cartesian product C. What is A Cartesian product C? 1, 5, 1 6 2 5 2 6. What is B Cartesian product D? B Cartesian product D 3 5 3 6 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8. Four five 4 6 4 7 4 8. Here we have got a Cartesian product C equal to 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6, and B Cartesian product D is 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8. Here is that element of A Cartesian product C not belongs to element of B Cartesian product C. Therefore, A Cartesian product C is not a subset of B Cartesian product D. This is actually A Cartesian product is to verify. We have to verify it. The A Cartesian product D is not a subset of B Cartesian product D. Another example is here. Exercise 8. Let A is equal to 1 2, B is equal to 3 4. Write A Cartesian product B. How many subsets? In A Cartesian product B. Write all subsets. Solution: A Cartesian product B here will be 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. How many subsets? Here an A Cartesian product B number of element is 1 2 3 4. So number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power 4 16. We have to write all the subsets. Subsets are we have to write at first with 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4, taking one element. Next, by taking two elements, is 1 3 1 4 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 4 1 4 1 4 2 3 1 1 4 2 4 1 4 2 4 2 3 2 4. By taking 3 elements at a time, we get 1 3 1 4 2 3. This is 1 3 2 3 2 4. 1 3 1 4 2 4. And 1 4 2 3 2 4. By taking 3 elements at a time. By taking 4 elements at a time, 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 as well. And last 5. These are all subsets of a Cartesian product B. Number of subsets we count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So this is all about Cartesian product. Next class I shall discuss about a relation and function.